entered the senior college, all teachers were expecting us to speak English fluently, but we all were struggling with the language. All were hesitating to speak because of lack of confidence that we are using right words with no grammatical error.
Our teachers were anxious about our low confidence because after the graduation we have to face the interviews, challenges, competition, etc. with confidence and with good language.
Our teachers started finding various means through which they can make us learn English effectively. They come across the spoken English course carried out by Times of India in collaboration with British Council.
Teachers ask us to attend the course and get the maximum benefit from the course. But being a science student, we were already loaded with lectures, practical and extracurricular activities of the college.
The big question arrived, why to attend and have a more burden, but still we step into the class and enrolled our name for a course. The first day was interview round.
Always stress of that interview and the test. With nervous mind, we opted for the test and interview of the course. After the interview, we all were set to start with the course.
The journey was of 2 months. Days passed. First day, second day, third day. Course was spellbinding. Lectures were very interactive. Teachers and students both were participate during the course of learning.
During the course, we come across various activities such as debate, game, group discussion, extempore, etc. Through this way, our mentor used to teach the curriculum provided in the course book.
Activities such as extempore help us a lot to gain confidence on our language debates, improve our think skills, delivery, public speaking, and team working skills.
Group discussion help us to connect deeply with the language and also increase the interest and engagement in the lecturer's questions, and also from a different student help the other student to think in a different perspective.
Not only on our language part but also our all over personality development was done during the course. Our mentor also taught us how to speak on listening skill, technical skill and professional skill too,
Such as how to interact on a phone calls, how to speak politely, how to comprise and reply an email, how to be a presentable in the front of an audience, how to carry yourself in an interview, how to tackle with the tricky questions and many more.
The days passed and we are almost finished with the course curriculum. Now, if we compare ourselves from day 1 to today, we found significant difference not only in language aspect but also overall personality changes, such as we are able to form sentences, we are confident while talking to others.
We are able to face audience effectively. We are able to reply an email. We are confident enough to face an interview, and also at the end of course we attended mock interview and we are able to perform very well.
This is the last day of our spoken English classes. We are really going to miss our class, our teachers, the activities, the fun, the learning, each and everything we did while the course. How time changes. First day we didn't wanted to attend. Last day we didn't want to leave the class. We gained so much from the course and we wish if we
We wish we could pass our knowledge to others. Here we make the posters to say thank you to our all teachers.